Every item that you purchase at a storefront has experienced quite the journey. From manufacturing to supplier to point of sale, products that we all know and love have a similar journey through the distribution process. However, tracking the flow of these items can be difficult. Often, it's tough to get the whole picture. With 365 Data Insights, you can see the flow of product information in every step of the process. As manufacturers create their goods, supply them to businesses, and sell them to the end user, 365 Data Insights tracks the complete journey. Whether products end up in traditional cafes or unattended solutions like smart coolers, micro-market stores, and more, our tools make it easy to track product data. 365 Data Insights is there every step of the way. CPGs and operators can utilize a platform that captures it all. Businesses can then leverage this information to track daily performance, streamline operations, and improve their bottom line. From there, CPGs and operators can act together on this information to boost revenues. With 365 Advertising, CPGs can create advertisements and send them to operators, turning kiosk screens, mobile phones, and other points of sale into powerful advertising opportunities. Open your business to new revenue streams. With 365 Data Insights and 365 Advertising, you can use one platform to leverage product data and deploy unique advertising initiatives that help improve your business.